climbing the tallest mountain in Korea, the tallest mountain in Seoul, Bukhansan. And yeah, we've just arrived at the bus station. We're walking up, and these are some casual views here. Not a Welcome from the parking lot of our apartment. Today is actually Buddha's birthday, which is a big holiday here in Seoul. It's a national holiday. Everyone has work off and everything. So we are headed to Plant Cafe, which is one of the vegan restaurants here in Seoul. And then we are going to hopefully hit up Chogyesa Temple, which is one of the bigger temples inside Seoul itself, and have a little bit of a celebration. Since we just got back from the cafe and had some amazing pastries and coffee, I think we're gonna go for a slightly lighter dinner and make some kimchi fried rice. So I'll show you guys how I do that. Today we have made it to Jamsil, which is right next to Gangnam, south of the river, and we are currently at a cafe where you can, I think, do watercolor with your drinks, which is really exciting. We are also going to head over to Olympic Park, which is kind of like a large garden, so that'll be really nice. It's pretty hot today. I think the weather's definitely turning here, but also kind of nice just to have a lot of sun.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
We have made it back from Olympic Gardens in Jamsil, where we met my uncle and had some Korean-style Chinese food. And the gardens ended up being super nice. It's really big. I think it's the biggest park in Seoul. And so it was really beautiful. A lot of people out today just because it was such a nice Saturday. And actually the cafe we went to before that with the little paintings and the watercolor was probably one of the coolest cafe experiences. Definitely if I were to own a cafe, that is kind of the vibes that I'm aiming for. But it was super, super nice, such a good Saturday, and it's definitely starting to feel a little bit more like summer here. I think the seasons changed really fast this time, which is crazy, but it's definitely getting hot consistently, at least over 70, 72 degrees. And it's humid here too, so you really feel it. But the vibes are really immaculate, and we are having some good time. Everyone seems kind of like to be out and about and chilling, especially in the evening when it's a little cooler, and I'm excited just for the summer as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in this video, but next time we get up to something. Come to you in the exact same position on the bed, but we just got back from just a day out. We had some pho, which was really, really delicious. It's our second time going there, and I think it's hard to find really amazing pho in Seoul just because they kind of toned down the spices and stuff that makes pho so good, but it was still really, really good, almost pretty close. And then we walked and went to an ice cream place called Fell and Cole, and actually Nick realized that is an intersection of two streets in San Francisco, and so we talked to the owner, and the owner lived in San Francisco, and he basically had a lot of really kind of gourmet style ice cream flavors, and we ended up getting one that was a combo of orange flowers, caramel, and pistachios, and then another one that was a vegan chocolate mint sorbet. But there were some really, really cool flavors, so definitely want to go back there. We walked to the park by the Han River and just kind of sat and read, as you saw, and the air quality was less than great today, so we decided to come back home, and also I think both of us are feeling a little poopied. But yeah, I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Get up to more things. Hello everyone! You would not know this from the video, but it's been a hot sec since I've checked in because things took a turn after the udon that you saw yesterday. I basically came down with probably what is like almost 100% food poisoning on day 2 now. It just started with like stomach cramps, stomach aches, and then it turned into fever. It was a little crazy. Did not really get a great night's sleep. I'm sure you don't want to hear all the details, but that's basically what happened. So here we are now. I'm feeling a lot better on day 2. Basically what happened was I also classically did this to myself. I think we had some fried rice that used some stale rice basically, and rice that was sitting out, and apparently this is a very common fried rice syndrome food poisoning thing that I did not know about. So it was very dumb, but it was like low-key bad, like pretty bad. I don't think I've ever had food poisoning in my life, and definitely not that severe. So here we are, but it's okay. I think I'm feeling a little better. My stomach is still a little iffy, definitely growling a bit and a little rumbly, and I've been having either things like chuk, which is like Korean congee, so rice, or you saw a little thing of yogurt, which hopefully I think wasn't too bad, just maybe because it's probiotics and stuff, and it was really nice and delicious actually. And yeah, so it kind of knocked me out, not gonna lie. And I think every few hours, if we do something to, like today, for example, I just had to come back. I was like, I'm gonna chill for another few hours. And now we are going out. We are not that crazy exciting, but we are going to go grocery shopping. I will see you on the other end.